Hello everyone, it's Miss Carla here from the Palos Heights Public Library. Today is a special day. It's Earth Day, if you didn't know, which is a good day to help remind us that we should take care of the planet, and because we're going to live here for a long time, and we're going to have people living here after us. So I thought to celebrate, we would read a book together and then do a fun craft, not really craft, more of a snack that you can eat. So first, we're going to read The Earth Book by Todd Parr. I take care of the earth because I know I can do little things every day to make a big difference. I use both sides of the paper, and I bring my own bags to the market because I love the trees, and I want the owls to have a place to live. What do owls say? Ooh, ooh. Good job. I turn off the faucet while I brush my teeth, and I use less water for my baths because, any guesses? Why would you use less water? I love fish, and I want the oceans to stay blue. I take the school bus and I ride my bike because I love the stars and I want the air to be clear so I can see them sparkle. I try to eat every bite on my plate and save my leftovers because I love watching things grow and I want there to be enough food for everyone. I remember to turn off the lights and shut the refrigerator to save energy because I love the polar bears and I want the snowmen to stay cool. I throw garbage in the trash can and recycle glass, aluminum, paper, and plastic because I love to walk barefoot in the grass and I don't want to move to Mars. Most of all, I help take care of the earth because I want us all to be happy and healthy. Every one of us can help protect the earth and make it feel good. Remember, if we take care of it, it will take care of us. Love, Todd. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story as a reminder of why we should take care of our earth. And now we're going to change scenes. You're going to be in my kitchen and I'll show you how to make that snack. See you in a minute. Hey everyone, we're back to make our Earth Day snack. Let me show you what you're going to need. I'm going to point the camera down so you can see. Okay, so you're going to need some rice cakes. I did go with apple cinnamon just to give it a little bit of sweetness, but you could use regular. You're going to need vanilla extract. You're going to need a package of cream cheese. I went with a light option just to make it a little bit healthier. You're going to need some sugar, and you're going to need some kind of fruit. Now, I was supposed to get green grapes and blueberries, but I could not find green grapes, so we're going to make do with what I have today. And then you're going to need a teaspoon and a tablespoon. A knife. I recommend a butter knife with adult supervision, and a spoon for stirring. So today we're going to make our snack look just like the earth. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get our cream cheese ready. I just bought a package container already, and we are going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So this is a great way to practice measuring with your adult for some help. And you just need a teaspoon of vanilla, so that's not very much. And if you need help figuring out what that is, an adult can definitely help you. So I'm gonna pour this in there. About a teaspoon. I'm going to dump that on my cream cheese. That's all you need for that. Put that to the side, and then you need a tablespoon of sugar. I have a very big bag of sugar. Tablespoon. Pour that in. Put that to the side. And then this is when you can practice your mixing skills with another spoon. And I'm going to actually put that to the side and we'll come back to this. I'll finish stirring that in a minute. The next thing you're going to want to do is your fruit is going to be your land and water. So like I said, the green was supposed to be the land. The blueberries are supposed to be the water, but we're going to make it work. I've got other fruit here. You're going to cut your fruit into smaller pieces. So this is where you're going to maybe need some adult help. And you take your butter knife and you're going to take a piece of fruit and you're going to cut it in half. And if you've never looked on the inside of a blueberry before, they're very interesting. So those are the first few steps. I'm actually going to pause the video. I'm going to cut up my fruit. I'm going to finish stirring my cream cheese mixture, and I'll be back to show you what to do next. Okay, I finished cutting up my fruit. I cut up a decent amount. This is also a great way to learn more about what the inside of different fruit looks like a blackberry or a raspberry. I finished stirring my concoction. It was a little tricky with the cream cheese, so it took a few minutes. So now we're ready to make our earth. So I got 2 different rice cakes here, so we can do 2 different designs. And you're going to take your cream cheese mixture and you're going to put that on top. And you can just use your spoon for this. You don't need to use a knife, unless you want to use a knife, but the spoon works just fine. You kind of want to cover it as best you can, like this. And this will be a very tasty snack when we're done. Like I said, I went with apple cinnamon rice cakes, but you could go with regular. There was also a caramel flavor in the store. Whatever kind sounds good to you. And I pretty much got them mixed as much as I want. All right. So now I'm going to make my earth. So if you want to, you could have an adult get you a picture of the earth, or if you have a globe in your house. And my blueberries are going to be my water. So that's why I cut them in half just to make it a little easier. Put them down. And I know I don't have green for the land, but I cut up some strawberries that can be the land. Make this a land piece. And make this a land piece. And I'm going to use my blueberries as my water. If you want to, you could even challenge yourself and try to design, the actual earth. But the rice cakes aren't very big to work with, so I'm going to put on some blackberries. And I think my blackberries are going to be boats. We'll pretend that they're boats in the water. And I know mine doesn't look very much like the land, but it's also for fun. It's a fun way to make a healthy snack. And I'm going to grab another piece of strawberry. And if you have more rice cakes, you can do different designs of these. You can try to do the United States. You could try to do a different, you could try to do Europe. You could try to do different continents. So that's kind of what mine look like. I hope you enjoyed this story and this video, and let me know if you make this snack and if you try to do anything different. And happy Earth Day, and I'll see you soon.